Hello, I'm Peter Walton from Zenith, and we're contacting you today regarding changes to your investment portfolio. About 2 months ago, we became quite concerned with the new crisis in the Middle East, and it was cause for us to take some conservative action. While the crisis is unresolved, the thought of it expanding to other Arab nations such as Iran, Syria, Yemen and perhaps Lebanon has lessened since that time, to the extent that the likelihood of the crisis expanding is now, in our opinion, less likely rather than more likely. It still may spread, so we can't be certain about that, but at least the likelihood of it spreading has reduced. Accordingly, it's a trigger for us to return the portfolio to normal settings, and we will continue to monitor it if for some reason the situation should deteriorate. So late last week we made changes to the portfolios to take that into account. And the only difference from our completely normal settings is that we have become more aware that the likelihood of further increases in interest rates is now also reducing, and there is a body of opinion suggesting that now there will not be any further increases in interest rates, and in the foreseeable future interest rates might decline. That sort of scenario is positive for the bond market. We're talking about government bonds, things like secure assets overall. And over the last couple of years, the bond market has been quite a poor performer. With rising interest rates, government bonds that are already on issue become less attractive. But of course, if interest rates are falling, the opposite happens, and the capital value of bonds can increase because they become more valuable as other interest rates are declining. So based on that, we are slightly overweight on the area of bonds in particular. Not a large extent, but we are overweight. And even though changes in interest rates may not happen for some time, the market is usually forward-looking about these sorts of things, and so you can often miss the boat if interest rates are already starting to decline. So that's the only difference in the portfolios, otherwise they're in line with normal weightings. By all means, please have a look to check the changes in your portfolio, and if you have any questions, give us a call, and I'll take this opportunity to wish everyone a safe and happy Christmas and New Year if we don't get a chance to contact you again beforehand. Thank you.